and respected Dean Sir, my teachers, classmates, and my junior. Greetings to all of you on this Republic Day. I, Sunil, would like to share my opinion with you today's auspicious day. Today is 26th of January, the Republic Day of our country. It's the day to celebrate of the value of our democracy and republic. It's the day to celebrate of India and the spirit to being Indian. After the hard struggles and sacrifices, our great freedom fighters, India became independence from British rule on 15th of August 1947. The Constitution of India was drafted under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India became republic after the Constitution came into effect on 26th of January 1950. Republic means that the citizens of the country have the rights to elect leaders to lead the country. Since then, India is progressing with new zeal and enthusiasm. The whole world is watching our achievements with appreciation. But there are still many tasks to be accomplished, gaps to be filled, tears to be wiped. We need to focus on the issues like population overgrowth, poverty, illiteracy, corruption, etc. Our laws need to be made more strict when it comes to the safety of women and children. We need to ensure that every child gets the basic rights and good education. We still need to focus on the making our country a clean and green country. While walking on the path of development and success, we must not forget our sacrifices our ancestors made for our freedom. We must not forget our soldiers who perform their duty every day to preserve our independence and republic. We must perform all our duties as a responsible citizen and support country's development. Let us all pledge today to work hard and make our country strongest in economic in the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.